I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hanging blossom tree, only way. Start by selecting a sturdy branch and lightweight blossoms to hang. Gather scissors, clear thread, a hook, and a selection of faux or real blooms. Measure your ceiling height and cut strands to varied lengths for depth. Work from the center outward so the piece stays balanced. Take your time to adjust spacing for a natural, flowing look. Collecting the right materials makes assembly simple and satisfying. Choose clear thread or thin fishing line, lightweight faux blooms or preserved flowers, scissors, a sturdy ceiling hook, and a tape measure. Cut threads to 3 or 4 different lengths to create a layered silhouette. Secure clusters of 2 to 5 blossoms per strand so each hangs attractively. Lay everything out in order before you start attaching flowers to save time and stay organized. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading craft ideas anywhere, and it makes following tutorials on the go much easier. I use it to save pattern photos and inspiration so my hands stay free for glue and scissors. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin assembly by attaching your hook and testing it with a gentle pull to ensure safety. Tie each blossom cluster to the prepared thread with secure knots, then trim excess line for a neat finish. Hang strands starting from the center and step back frequently to check balance and silhouette. If a strand looks heavy on one side, swap or shorten strands to even the composition. Final tweaks make the piece feel intentional and artful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.